Hey everyone, today we're going to be replacing the Shroud or automatic shift boot on this 8th generation Honda Civic. If you put it in neutral for better access, don't forget to use the emergency brake. All you're going to need today is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these two Phillips head screws on either side of the shifter. Once those are out, go ahead and slide off the shift knob and remove the shroud. Now slide on the new shroud and reinstall the shift knob. Next we're going to reinstall the two Phillips head screws. And now we will slide up the new shroud and it should click into the shift knob. And that's it. Thank you for watching.